deeply honored to extend my warmest greetings to His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq Hafizahullah, the government and the people of the Sultanate of Oman on the historic occasion of the Golden Jubilee of Oman. In fact, the Sultanate of Oman has been transformed into a truly progressive, tolerant and peaceful nation under the visionary leadership of late His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said Rahimahullah, who planted the seeds of growth 50 years ago. I also wish to extend my best wishes to the Sultanate for its continued progress and prosperity under the able leadership of His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq Hafizahullah wa Ra'ah. Muscat is a household name in Sri Lanka. Omani halwa has been traditionally known as muscat in Sri Lanka. So this shows the deeply rooted relations between Sri Lanka and Oman. Sri Lanka and Oman has been maintaining a very cordial and cooperative diplomatic relations for almost 40 years by now. The people-to-people contact are the bedrock of Sri Lanka-Oman relations. We are proud of the contributions made by Sri Lankan nationals to the development of Oman. I proudly remember Mr. Felix de Silva, who was a Sri Lankan national, and he who established the ROP, the Royal Omani Police, and he became the first Inspector General of Police of Oman in 1974. So we proudly remember him at this important historic occasion of 50th anniversary of Oman's history. History records a 9th century trading vessel sailed into Galle Harbour in Sri Lanka, and a replica of it sailed into the same harbour in 2010 to mark that historic occasion. This memory evokes the ancient cultural and trading ties between the two countries thousands of years ago. Sri Lanka and Oman are strategically located and sharing the Indian Ocean, and a huge potential between the two countries for future collaboration and cooperation. Sri Lanka can be a gateway of Oman to South Asia and East Asian countries. Oman could be a gateway of Sri Lanka to the Western Asia and African countries. I wish to take this opportunity to extend my best wishes to His Majesty Sultan Haitham bin Tariq for the good health and well-being, and to the friendly people of Oman for the continued progress, prosperity and peace to achieve another milestone in the history of Oman, along with the Oman's Vision 2040. I wish everyone a warm and happy 50th National Day. Long live Sri Lanka, Oman.